Oh, just figuring out, get the box mounted. We're just marking where the speed control dial is going to go now that Chris and Kirk figured out that you can remote mount it, which is pretty slick. And then where the switches are going to go. Just trying to kind of get everything placed, drill holes, get it all mounted, and we can wire it up.
Period-ish.
Oh yeah, look at that. Switches and speed controls. Nice.
Sharpie.
Yes, working on the ORB number 2, and we're getting really close. I think tonight's like a lot of final assembly. We'll be doing most of the final assembly tonight. Wiring, we'll be down to just tire treads. We need some more tire treads, but yeah, hopefully we can have it 100% fully operational very soon. All right, and we're wired. So just like the other one, you got battery going into our speed controller, and then you have outputs with the adjustable knob for speed. You can dial a speed here, pull triggers, and yeah, power the motors. Pretty slick. Got it all wired up. Dustin's working on getting the rims painted because Cameron wanted shiny. He really wanted chrome. Shh, don't tell him. We didn't have chrome for everything, so we're gonna paint him some nice bright silver ones. And yeah. This thing's getting real close to ready to going home. We got some decals to do. We're going to build the cover for the motor, the shrouds here, and then we got to get some tire treads. But yeah, we're getting real close. Test driving. All right, so these guys worked and worked. They got the big tires all wrapped with the rubber tread, and we are painting up the last of the pieces. We got the engine cover, different spindle, and yeah. Should be good to go here shortly. So once that dries up, we'll do the final put together on it and hopefully get to deliver it soon. All right, final rendition. Here we are. So we have the triggers on each side, the speed controller here, battery pack where you plug it in to make it work, engine cover that we built, the rubber treaded tires that we wrapped on the Power Wheel tires with the Power Wheel motors, the crossbar that we built. So originally this was a 2-wheel system. However, converting it to single wheel allowed it to fold up a lot better. And so that works really well. And then the control center that we built for all that hides the electronics and the switches. Yeah, it looks like such a simple thing, but it definitely takes a lot of time and creativity figuring out how to get all the pieces to coincide correctly.
Tell Uncle Dustin where to turn.
You gonna turn up here? Where? See it now?
Where are we? Oh, right there. Good job. How did you know this is where he lives? You don't know?
Please don't come on the drive by. Wave.
Oh, say hi, guys. We're here.
Yeah? Yeah? You want to go for a ride, the new ride? Oh man! Oh man! He's waving to D.
Hot rod.
What's up, buddy?
Look what Cameron is sitting in. Can you see? Yeah. Cameron.
What do you think, man? He's checking it out.
You want to go?
He's like, come on. He says, come on, let's go. Yeah, so if you've used his, it's the exact same.
I haven't used it in a while.
Oh, okay, yeah. So right should make it go right, left should make it go left, or both of them should make it go straight forward. And then this dial by your left thumb is your speed. Yeah, so, and you can do it with your thumb as you're moving or
Okay.
stop and go, whichever. He's like, go, Mom, go. He just keeps pointing. He wants to go. Hung up a little bit for Oh yeah, it's super rough over there. There they are. Sisters with their boys. They want to keep riding.
So Mom, I need to go more. Let's go. Hey. You too. Let's put you down.
It's like, come on. Bye-bye. See you later. All right, so the girls were in a high-speed racing competition, and we blew a fuse in the speed controller. So internally, there's a 30-amp fuse that's supposed to be right there that's blown. So we're wondering if maybe we had over-tightened the axle nuts, and that was causing some extra drag on the drivetrain, which made it blow the fuse. So Chris is gonna run around the corner to his house, grab us another fuse, and we'll see if we can get him back in action here shortly. Cameron, what do you think? You like it? Are you excited?
Yeah. Ready
You
to go?
excited to go for a ride? Yeah.
This all started with us with Andy asking us if we wanted to go out of town with him, and we really had no way to get the off-road, off the beaten path, and that's how this came about for us as far as the idea.
Yep.
Yeah, it's like that.
Yeah.
It's like we're very limited on where we get to go and what we get to do.
Yeah, so it's helped us get around the yard and go for walks and things like that. So it's
Right.
helped out a lot.
Yeah.
We've filled bird feeders. We've done a lot of things that a normal stroller cannot do. I mean, we go all over the place in the yard. We go for walks down our gravel dirt road that normally we don't go down. Just simple things like that, but they're big things too, because this allows us to do things that we normally wouldn't be able to do with a regular stroller. And that's huge for us. We like to be outside. We like to do things together. And hopefully this summer we'll, now that we'll have it for a full summer, we can get it out, take it to the campgrounds and test it out and get it dirty. What do you think, Derek? You love this thing, right? You say you love it, it's very good.
Once we got this one built, then it was only appropriate to build a second one for Cameron. and use a different stroller that's a little different. So we got 2 models to test and tune and work with and see which one is gonna work the best.
Right.
Yes. And we can't wait to get out and try it and see what we can do this summer.
Yeah.
Today's day number 1 for
Day
day
number 1.
Derek has been
My
this for almost a year.
My sisters can't wait to take them out on it.
Right.
Right.
And they've had an opportunity to use.
They've used it a little bit,
Yeah.
but they're
Very
definitely looking
fun.
forward to taking Cameron out in the woods and on the trail. Which I can't usually do. So.
Right.
I can throw the thing in the back of the Ranger and take it. Go out riding.
Right.
I get to walk, not pushy,
Yeah.
right?
Take a little of the burden off then. I noticed even just going up and down the hill, it's crazy. It's like you just follow it.
You
It's
don't
doing
actually
it. You don't. Yeah.
It's
Don't feel like you have the pressure of pushing on it. Yeah.
This would have been interesting. Went to Florida. There was only a short way. We had to carry the stroller at the beach. But this one made it right over.
Oh yeah.
There was a walkway most of the way, but there was an area we had to carry his stroller.
Right. Yeah.
That would have been nice. So next time we'll have it. Hopefully, huh?
Yeah.
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 Check the ocean out again.
So how old is Cameron?
Cameron is 19.
19.
So he's 20 in August.
Yeah. Crazy. Uh-huh. And so Cameron was born
He was born healthy.
healthy. Yeah.
And he was 11 months old and
Yep.
he was a victim of child abuse.
Yep.
So from then on, he's been a little superhero, huh? Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Take it, it's for you.
Yep.
Yeah, so he's actually considered half paralyzed.
Okay.
So he doesn't move the left side.
Yep.
That side you move, right?
Oh yeah, we've seen. He's got lots of action going on with the right.
Super fast and super strong.
Yeah. And that was actually a part of the design, is we had to be careful with placement of some of the stuff, knowing that Mr. Cameron's super fast and strong with his right hand.
He reaches
Yeah.
for it.
And we didn't want you to grab a hold of stuff that could hurt you, or make the thing take off on you.
Yeah.
And so Derek is a year younger, right?
Yes, Derek is a year younger. He's 18.
Yep.
And he has cerebral palsy. He was diagnosed a few years ago with what is called Christensen syndrome, which basically he has a mutated gene, and it causes him to be the way that he is. Yeah.
Yeah. But he's still got character.
He does. He's very bossy. A true 18-year-old.
Yeah.
He may be nonverbal, but he has his own way of using words, and
Yeah.
yeah, he uses them. Right, Dee?
Yeah. And we've seen his cards and the way that you asked him how he wanted to come over here.
Yes. Yes.
And he was super quick to the punch.
He was so excited to come over here. We would talk about the progress. Dad would come home from working on things with you guys, and we'd get an update, and of course Jared would listen and pay attention, and we'd talk about it until the next time. And when it was time for him to bring this home, we were so excited we couldn't wait. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully this is life changing and works out super good for everybody. And we'll be here if there needs to be improvements or upgrades.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think these things this is huge. I think it's really hard to put it into words what these mean to us and the boys especially, but just the type of freedom, yeah, the things that they're going to be able to be included in now, and otherwise, without these they wouldn't be, and it's really hard to put it into words, but this is huge for us.
Well, you're welcome.
Yes, thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
No, let's go.
Now let's go for it.